Hey guys, back again to the Binance lecture material. So this time we will discuss the complete functions of the Binance application on its dashboard. Then in the features, in trade, in markets, everything, and we will all, as one by one completely and in detail. We will discuss first from common functions to others. Okay, so our next crypto lecture material is token unlock. So token. What is unlocking? So it's actually like this. For example, a certain point, for example, Solana or BNB or whatever it is. It has a total supply of around 1 million and that's still there. Locked it is around 50% or a 500,000 or something like that. Well, that will be later when he automatically unlocked. The locked token will then be circulated in the market and so on. According to the economic law of supply and demand, when supply increases but if demand doesn't increase or stagnates or even decreases, prices will automatically decrease. But if the supply decreases and the demand increases or maybe the dimensions remain the same, then the days will increase. This unlocked token will increase the supply. That was it. Now you can see the token unlock schedule on Binance here. There is IGLD, there are dots, there is WLD near field op Natia and so on, and next unlock. Date NYA, the date is this example, yes, and this time in the form of an example. Then what is the next unlock percentage or how many tokens are there, and this is the price change. Within 24 hours the market cap is now. What is the current supply and the total that has been unlocked? What is the percentage? So this makes it easier for those of you who like to look for information about total supply. Regarding the unlocked coins, sometimes there are big unlocks. For example, 10% automatic with a 10% lock, it will have quite an impact on the price. For example, 1.61 in 0.01005064. Here you can search for token ALU. The big one, for example, I haven't found the weight yet. 1% SLF 3.5%, this is quite big, 3.54%, 3.8. 21.63, 3.73 like this. Oh, this Vanna, this 12% like this is really big. This is for the mortals, so you can look for tokens that unlock the supply. This is big because the unlocked supply is quite big. Automatically it will move at that price. The law of supply and demand is that theory. Supply and demand, we see the picture. When supply increases while demand decreases, then the price will also go down. But if the spelling is automatic, the price will also go up. But if we discuss about the automatic unlock token, the circulating supply will increase, which will cause the price to fall. Okay, maybe that's all for that. Don't forget our card lecture material this time, to watch our next FTO lecture material.